This video is to introduce standards-based grading and how we use it in our middle school classrooms. As you know, we're on a 4-point scale that assesses mastery. In middle school, we love a 3, but we really try to push the students to a 4. We want every student to master the standards and to know how to apply them. So we would love if you can help reinforce that at home. The other thing we want you to know is learning is not optional in our classrooms. We don't accept zeros, we don't accept missing work. If we assign something, it's because it has value. So if you see a missing assignment or a 0, please know that the student will need to make that up because it's not optional to skip those assignments.
So if students are struggling with a concept and they don't do well on a summative, they can have the option of retaking the summative. And you can find those retake forms on each of our classroom websites. The form is all the same for every class, but it's just found individually on our websites. The process goes like this. The students get their summative back, and then they fill out the form, scheduling a time with us to start the reteaching process. When that time is scheduled, they'll meet with us, one of their teachers, during study hall, before school, after school at help, and we will go through and work with them on their struggles. There's a lot to be learned in this reteaching process, so we really encourage it. Part of the learning process, though, is not just academic. There are certain characteristics that we want learners to possess as well.
This year, Metcalf's in a state of transition as we explore what it truly means to be a learner in a mastery learning setting with standards. And so, our school is going on a journey where we are exploring certain learner qualities for our students. This year, you may or may not be seeing the effort grade on your child's report card, that plus, minus, dot system that has been there forever. We're working on identifying certain qualities that we can report instead, so that you'll see how your students are engaging with questioning, connecting ideas, things like that. And that's how we're going to start reporting things like effort and behavior. And you'll see us using these qualities in our narratives on your report card, as well as in our conferences that we hold in the fall and the spring.